flush the toilet. Let's fucking go. It is not yet time to wash your hands. Chat, they said it. They said it, chat. Don't ever come at me about washing my hands, because the game told me it's not time. It's not time anymore, bruh. They told me. I'm gonna flush that shit twice. You flushed the toilet. Let's go. Party Dojo. Welcome to Manny Town. That's what I heard it's called. You tried to use the arcade machine. You weren't tall or strong enough to use the controls. Tall? First you go at me washing my hands in the beginning of the game. Now you tell me I'm not tall enough. Toby Fox, are you watching me, bro? Self-esteem eradicated complete. There goes my self-esteem. Running laughing protocol. I love this. I love this laugh. Oh, Chris, not the life form I was looking for. Where is the rest of the C squad? Don't tell me you got abandoned. Ha! Ha ha! That's what you get for trusting Susie. Ha! Huh, Noelle Queen? They're just busy retro gaming somewhere. Good thing I calibrated those cages. You said I could trust you. You said you were a gamer. You said you were a gamer. Birdly, I only play mobile games. Ah! No! You only played Fire Emblem Heroes and Candy Crush, you bitch! Only a kiss from a beautiful gamer girl can save me now. Hey, I ain't gonna be mad at him. My man's a man of culture. My man's a man of culture. Yo. Only a kiss from a beautiful gamer girl could save me now. Let's go.